Hello, welcome to my channel Shashi Online Classes. We have completed question number 1 and 2 of exercise 2D. Today we will start from question number 4. Question number 4 is: the present value of a scooter is rupees 15,360. If its value depreciates 1/2% every year, find its value after 3 years. In this question, depreciates is given. Depreciates means decreasing. So, in the formula we will use minus. We have P equal to rupees 15,360, R equal to 12, 1/2%. इसे हम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में लिख लेंगे, इक्वल टू 25/2%. टाइम इक्वल टू 3 years. We have to find value, so here we will write V. V equal to P 1 minus R upon 100 N. Here we are using minus because in the question depreciates is given. Depreciates means decreasing. So whenever depreciates is given, we have to do minus. Equal to P is 15,360. 1 minus R is 25/2. Here 100 is also there, so it will be 2 into 100. Time is 3 years. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Equal to 15,360. 1 minus 1/4 twos are 8 cube equal to 15,360. 8 ones are 8 minus 1, 7/8 cube equal to 15,360. Here cube is given, it means 7/8 is multiplying 3 times. Into 7/8 into 7/8 into 7/8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 73. 8 nines are 72. 16. 8 twos are 16. 8 zeros are 0. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 32, 8 fours are 32, 8 zeros are 0. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24, 8 zeros are 0. So we got 30 into 7 into 7 into 7. Now we will multiply them. Equal to 7 zeros are 0, 7 threes are 21 into 7 into 7. Equal to 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14 into 7 equal to 7 zeros are 0, 7 sevens are 49, carry 4, 7 fours are 28 plus 4, 32, carry 3, 7 ones are 7 plus 3, 10. So value is rupees 10,290. This is our answer. Now we will solve question number 5. Question number 5 is: a new car is purchased for rupees 2,50,000. Its value depreciates at the rate of 10% in the first year, 8% in the second year, and then 6% every year. Find its value after 4 years. In this question, 4 rates are given. Here it is given 10% in the first year, 8% in the second year. In third, it is given 6% every year, means third and fourth year. Their rate will be 6%. So we have P equal to rupees 2,50,000. R equal to 4R is given to us. 4 rates are given to us. So let first R be R1, second be R2, third be R3 and fourth be R4. R1 is given 10%. R2 is given 8% and then 6% every year. So 3 and 4 will be 6%. Time is given to us 4 years. So let's solve this question. V equal to P. Depreciating is given, so here we will do minus, because in the question depreciating is given and depreciating means decreasing. 1 minus R1 upon 100. 1 minus R2 upon 100. 1 minus R3 upon 100 and 1 minus R4 upon 100. Here we will not write time because here we have done 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 years is completed, so no need of writing the time. Now let's solve this question. Equal to P is given to us 2,50,000. 1 minus R1 is 10%, 10 upon 100. 1 minus R2 is 8%, 8 upon 100. 1 minus R3 is 6%, 6 upon 100. And 1 minus R4 is 6%, 6 upon 100. 0 से 0 cancel. 2 4s are 8, 2 50s are 100, 2 2s are 4, 2 25s are 50. 2 3s are 6, 2 50s are 100. 2 3s are 6, 2 50s are 100. So here we have reduced them. Equal to 2,50,000. 10 ones are 10 minus 1, 9 upon 10. 25 ones are 25 minus 2, 23 upon 25. 50 ones are 50 minus 3, 47 upon 50. 50 ones are 50 minus 3, 47 upon 50. We will take them out from the bracket. Equal to 2,50,000 into 9 upon 10 into 23 upon 25 into 47 upon 50 into 47 upon 50. Now 3 zeros will be cancelled. 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now we have got equal to 2 into 9 into 23 into 47 into 47 upon 5. Equal to 2 nines are 18 into 23 into 47 into 47 upon 5. Equal to 18 into 23 equal to 414 into 47 into 47 upon 5. Equal to 414 into 47 equal to 19,458 into 47 upon 5. Now we will reduce them. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 44. 5 8s are 40, 45, 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, equal to 3891.6 into 47 equal to, now we will multiply them and we will get 1,82,905.2. This is our answer. Now we will solve question number 6. Question number 6 is, the bacteria in a culture grows by 10% in the first hour, decreases by 10% in the second hour, and again increases by 10% in the third hour. If the original count of the bacteria in a sample is 10,000, find the bacteria count at the end of 3 hours. In this question, P is given to us 10,000 and different R is given for different hours. So, let R for first hour be R1, for second hour be R2 and for third hour be R3. In first hour, it is increasing by 10%. In second hour, it is decreasing by 10%. And in the third hour, it is again increasing by 10%. And time is given to us 3 hours. So we have to find bacteria count. Bacteria count equal to P R1 पे इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो ये होगा 1 प्लस R1 अपॉन 100. सेकेंड आर में डिक्रीज हो रहा है तो ये होगा 1 माइनस R2 अपॉन 100. थर्ड आवर में फिर से इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो ये होगा 1 प्लस R3 अपॉन 100. 1 2 3 3 आवर्स हो गए तो टाइम लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. इक्वल टू P है 10,000. 1 प्लस 10 अपॉन 100. 1 माइनस 10 अपॉन 100. 1 प्लस 10 अपॉन 100. एक जीरो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे भी एक जीरो कैंसिल हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे भी एक जीरो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. इक्वल टू 10,000. 10 1 are 10 plus 1 11 upon 10. 10 1 are 10 minus 1 9 upon 10. 10 1 are 10 plus 1 11 upon 10. अब हम इसे ब्रैकेट से बाहर निकाल लेंगे. इक्वल टू 10,000 इंटू 11 अपॉन 10 इंटू 9 अपॉन 10 इंटू 11 अपॉन 10. 3 zeros कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. Now we have got equal to 10 into 11 into 9 into 11. 10 into 11 equal to 110 into 9 into 11 equal to 110 into 9 equal to 990 into 11 equal to 990 into 11 equal to 10,890. This is our answer. In this video, we have completed question number 4, 5 and 6. आगे के questions next video में. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest video updates. Thanks for watching.